Okay, in our last video, I realized that no one was ever impressed by a dinosaur in person. This time I have cats on my mind. And it's not just the common household tabby variety. I'm talking about the big ones. And like dinosaurs before them, the cat family are now the advanced predators. And as you already noticed, Matt is still hiding in the background. Oh, and here he is. And no wonder why they call him the Camo Gremlin. And I'll just let him take his little break. As you know, on the day that Martin Luther King united put the whites and the blacks, apparently you're gonna have to find out how two species of big cat, both lion and tiger, are different. And yeah, apparently they just hate each other. Well, for obvious reasons.
They have like fried rice. Do you like fried rice? They have fried rice. They have pad thai, noodles. It's not Chinese though. Do you like Chinese food?
And yeah, apparently Matt's just continue hiding because a creature's stirring. Not even him being a mouse. Anyway, let's explain the differences. Okay, one of the pups obviously has got Claire's scent. And apparently, you already know what coins and crocodiles have in common. They both have your scents.
You're gonna get a bit too high, buddy. No. They're the puppies.
Yeah, once again.
Puppies.
And yeah, what do you know? Several good reasons why I'm a cat person. And what I mentioned by segregating both tigers and lions, well, let's go over the videotape. What the devil? I saw that. It was those tigers. They always do mean stuff to lions. Tigers? Who goes there? Darn lions. They don't respect the tigers. No respect. No respect! They shall pay! Okay, so much for me trying to say. So much for me coming with so much for coming up with a cliche scheme of segregating big cats.
Puppies, puppies, puppies.
And apparently he's demonically obsessed over the pups.
Obsessed is putting it mildly.
I don't know what's either strange from who knows how many previous videos. Either the Crippletron fight, monster fighting, blaming over Dinkelberg, or either that, or me spazzing out that old people are driving. Okay, you might think that episode was pretty insane. It's me segregating big cats. Well, apparently both lions and tigers do hate each other. Apparently they do hate each other because of obvious reasons.
Wait, what obvious reasons?
Did you think about the January thing I asked you about?
Yeah.
Because lions work together tigers hunt alone.
I think this could probably solve some of my
How does that make it so they hate each other?
I think this could give me a fighting new bug.
Maybe they just don't cross paths coincidentally.
Would you want
Yeah, they
I've seen
really.
a story about a bear, a lion, and a tiger who actually became really good friends over through a traumatic experience with, I think, abusers, I think. Something like either abusers or poachers.
Yeah,
Most
maybe,
likely abusers.
Really?
yeah, maybe it was just the
Point
probably
is, now they're inseparable.
probably they rarely meet in India, but when they get in each other's face, things get automatically ugly.
You make it sound like two hot shots out of high school.
Tested something along the lines of
Hot shots to high school.
School football game.
and those two problems.
When they get in each other's face, it's bound to go down.
No, shut up. Have your mom talk.
So there you have it. We have Rocky the Big Cat Edition.
Sam, take Rods.
Now that we mentioned it, let's explain the differences. Contender number 1, the tiger. This striped assassin is swift and cunning, and an ancient symbol of stealth. The tiger are the largest and strongest of all cats. Being 10 feet long and 3 feet high is the same equivalent of 3 grown men and armed with 3-inch claws and 4-inch canines. Believe me, you do not want to get on a tiger's bad side. Otherwise you'll get hurt. Like Fozzie Bear when he went to Saudi Arabia.
It's good to worship Allah, because I used to worship Sama. Waka waka. I once knew a guy who was so Arab.
How Arab was he?
He was so Arab that everybody liked him, and there was nothing funny about him at all.
We'll save the jokes. But now we meet the opposition. The African lion is a fierce warrior. 530 pounds of brute strength. Apparently, this would be really awesome if Mike Tyson had to go up against Simba for that. Believe me, this would be one hell of a cat fight. 4 feet high and almost 11 feet from tooth to claw. Male lions spend mostly 4 years learning how to brawl. This is how they learn to fight for mates, territory, or just for the sake of it. Its primary weapon, 3-inch claws and 3-inch canines. And mathematically, let's see count on top of that. 6, tota, His wisdom is to deal with a trio of trespassers to earn his title as King of the Jungle. And let's test using the Scare Jew. Donnie, just bear with us for a bit, okay?
Oh my God, it's Hitler! He's back! He's back! Hurry, protect John Stewart! He's our most important Jew!
When it comes to tigers and lions being separate species, it's not just the cat they are, it's the kind of cat they are inside. Okay, maybe... Yeah, maybe we've gone a little...
You don't want to do group things anymore.
Okay, yeah, that was just friggin' weird.
It's not my decision.
Well,
to Ellen.
if you have any rates and comments on this episode, put them in the link below.
Assuming we have any viewers to give us likes and comments.
And that also goes for those who are also white or black. So see you later. Keep your you put your comments in the link below.
Giggity, giggity, goo!